Hello there, and welcome to the Bedtime Lab, where we explore the wonders of the universe in the most relaxing way possible. As you settle in, feel free to let us know where you're joining us from in the comments. It's always a delight to see how far our gentle whispers travel across the globe. Tonight, we're embarking on a soothing journey through the cosmos to uncover the mysteries surrounding the elusive Planet 9. Yes, that's right, Planet 9. Let me share something interesting with you. Our solar system might not be quite as complete as we once thought. Imagine, beyond the familiar 8 planets, hiding in the far reaches of our cosmic neighborhood, there could be another silent giant. Did you know that the idea of a mysterious 9th planet isn't a recent discovery? It dates back to the mid-19th century, when astronomers first noticed irregularities in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. These irregularities hinted at the gravitational pull of an unseen world. Isn't it fascinating how even the tiniest perturbations can lead to such grand theories? Here's a fascinating fact. The search for Planet 9 has gained momentum in recent years, thanks to advancements in technology. With powerful telescopes and intricate mathematical models, scientists are now able to peer deeper into the night sky than ever before. It's like having a magnifying glass that lets us glimpse the secrets of the universe, one tiny star at a time. Speaking of telescopes, did you know that some of them are located in some of the most remote and serene places on Earth? Observatories in the Atacama Desert in Chile or high atop Mauna Kea in Hawaii offer astronomers crystal-clear views of the heavens. Just imagine standing under those vast, open skies with nothing but the stars and the wind to keep you company. And here's something fascinating. The search for Planet 9 doesn't just rely on direct observation. Scientists also use computer simulations to recreate the complex dance of celestial bodies. These simulations help us understand how a hidden planet could influence the orbits of objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune filled with icy remnants from the formation of the solar system. Can you imagine the precision and patience required to model such a cosmic ballet? Now, let me share another intriguing detail. The hunt for Planet 9 has turned up some unexpected treasures along the way. Astronomers have discovered a wealth of smaller celestial objects during their search, each with its own unique story. It's as if the universe is whispering its secrets, one tiny finding at a time. Speaking of discoveries, did you know that some scientists believe Planet 9 could be 10 times the mass of Earth? Picture a planet that large, lurking in the shadows, its presence felt only through the subtle pull on its celestial neighbors. It's a humbling reminder of just how vast and mysterious our universe truly is. Here's a thought to ponder. The existence of Planet 9 could help explain some long-standing mysteries about our solar system. For instance, the peculiar tilt of the Sun's rotational axis might be influenced by a hidden planet far beyond the reach of our current gaze. It's a gentle nudge that invites us to keep exploring, to keep questioning, to keep dreaming. And speaking of questions, have you ever wondered what it would be like to stand on the surface of Planet 9? If it exists, it would likely be an icy world, shrouded in darkness, with no warmth from the distant sun. Yet, for all its isolation, it would be a part of our solar system, a distant cousin waiting to be found. Here's something else to consider. The search for Planet 9 is a beautiful example of collaboration among scientists around the world. Teams from different countries with different skills and expertise are working together to solve this cosmic puzzle. It's a testament to the power of curiosity and the shared human desire to uncover the unknown. As we continue our gentle exploration, let me remind you that the search for Planet 9 is far from over. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to the truth, and each night spent gazing at the stars fills us with wonder. So, as you drift off to sleep, let your dreams take you on a journey through the cosmos, where new worlds are waiting to be discovered. Sweet dreams, dear friend, and may the stars guide you gently into slumber. Here's an interesting tidbit to get us started. The idea that there might be a hidden planet in our solar system has sparked imaginations for decades. Yet, it's the recent calculations by astronomers Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown that have renewed interest in this celestial mystery. Their models suggest that Planet 9 could be orbiting the Sun at a distance up to 20 times farther than Neptune. Can you imagine the patience needed to track something so distant? Speaking of distance, did you know that if Planet 9 exists, it might take between 10 and 20,000 years to complete one full orbit around the Sun? That's an incredibly long year by Earth standards. It's a gentle reminder of the vast scales of time and space that govern our universe, stretching beyond the horizons of our everyday experience. And here's something that might surprise you. Despite its potential size, Planet 9 hasn't been seen directly. Instead, its existence is inferred from the peculiar orbits of several distant objects in the Kuiper belt. These icy bodies, known as trans-Neptunian objects, display orbits that are mysteriously aligned in a way that suggests the gravitational influence of a large hidden planet. On the topic of gravitational influence, consider this. The search for Planet 9 relies heavily on the principle of celestial mechanics, a beautiful dance of forces and motions. The subtle gravitational tugs between celestial bodies are like whispers in the cosmic night, telling stories of unseen worlds. It's these whispers that guide astronomers in their quest for this elusive planet. Here's another fascinating thought. The potential discovery of Planet 9 could redefine our understanding of the solar system's formation. Some theories suggest that if it does exist, it might have been a wandering planet captured by the Sun's gravity long ago. Imagine a rogue planet traveling the cosmos until it found a new home with us. Now, let's dive into the technology aiding this search. Advances in digital imaging and data processing have transformed our ability to survey the night sky. Modern telescopes equipped with sophisticated cameras can capture vast swathes of the heavens in remarkable detail. It's like having a window into the universe, allowing astronomers to sift through the cosmic tapestry for any hint of Planet 9. Did you know that the search for Planet 9 involves analyzing data from all over the globe? Observatories in both the northern and southern hemispheres are part of this global effort. By working together, scientists can cover more of the sky and increase the chances of spotting something extraordinary. It's a wonderful example of how science transcends borders, uniting people in the pursuit of knowledge. Here's a delightful twist in the tale. The hypothetical Planet 9 might not be the only hidden giant in our solar system. Some scientists speculate that there could be multiple undiscovered planetary bodies lurking in the outer reaches of the Kuiper belt. This possibility invites us to imagine a solar system far more complex and populated than we currently see. Speaking of complex systems, let me tell you about the role of supercomputers in this search. These powerful machines run simulations that model the intricate gravitational interactions of countless objects over billions of years. Through these simulations, astronomers can test different scenarios, each a possible story of how Planet 9 might be influencing its distant neighbors. And here's a curious detail. There's ongoing debate about the true nature of Planet 9. While some believe it to be a gas giant similar to Neptune, others think it could be an ice giant with a thick atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Each hypothesis paints a different picture of this hidden world, sparking intrigue and inviting further exploration. As we ponder these possibilities, consider this: the search for Planet 9 is not just about finding a new planet. It's also about better understanding the dynamics of our solar system. Even if Planet 9 remains elusive, the quest itself is unveiling new insights into the complex gravitational relationships that shape our cosmic neighborhood. Here's a thought-provoking notion: the hunt for Planet 9 challenges our perceptions of space and discovery. It serves as a reminder that, despite our technological advancements, there is still so much we have yet to learn about our own solar system, let alone the wider universe. It's a humbling realization that encourages us to keep exploring. Finally, let's reflect on the patience and perseverance of those working on this search. Astronomers spend their nights gazing at the stars, guided by curiosity and the hope of unveiling secrets hidden in the cosmic shadows. It's a pursuit that requires not only scientific rigor, but also a deep sense of wonder and imagination. As you let these thoughts gently settle, consider how each piece of the puzzle adds to the grand tapestry of our understanding. Each star, each distant object, each calculated orbit contributes to a greater story that's still unfolding. And as you drift into sleep, allow yourself to dream of the possibilities, of new worlds yet to be discovered, and of the endless journey that awaits in the vastness of space. Did you know that the idea of a hidden planet in our solar system is not entirely new? It has roots stretching back over a century, when astronomers first began to notice oddities in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. They suspected there might be another planet exerting a gravitational pull, a notion that has evolved through the decades. This blend of history and modern science adds a layer of depth to our current search. Speaking of history, let me share something intriguing. One of the earliest hypotheses about a hidden planet was proposed by Percival Lowell in the early 20th century. He called it Planet X and believed it was responsible for discrepancies in the orbits of known planets. Although his calculations were later proven incorrect, Lowell's vision paved the way for future explorations. Imagine the dedication of those early astronomers, peering into the cosmos with far less advanced technology. Now, here's a curious thought. The concept of Planet 9 is supported by statistical anomalies. Researchers have noticed a clustering of orbits among certain trans-Neptunian objects that suggests the presence of a massive body exerting gravitational influence. This clustering is like a cosmic breadcrumb trail, leading us toward the possibility of a hidden planet. And here's another interesting twist. Despite its elusive nature, Planet 9 might even help us understand the tilt of the Sun. Our Sun is tilted by about 6 degrees relative to the planet's orbital plane, and some scientists believe that a distant, massive planet could be influencing this tilt. It's fascinating to consider how one unseen object could have such a profound impact on our solar system's architecture. Let's delve into the tools of discovery for a moment. Modern telescopes, such as the Subaru telescope in Hawaii, are essential in the ongoing search. This telescope, boasting a massive mirror over 8 meters wide, offers astronomers the ability to see faint objects at the edge of our solar system. It's like having a magnifying glass for the universe, allowing us to peer deeper into the night sky than ever before. Here's something you might find surprising. The search for Planet 9 also relies heavily on data from space missions. Observations from spacecraft like the Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer have provided valuable clues. These space-based observatories offer a different perspective, free from the blurring effects of Earth's atmosphere, enhancing our ability to detect distant objects. Speaking of distant objects, did you know that computer algorithms play a vital role in identifying potential candidates for Planet 9? These algorithms sift through vast amounts of astronomical data, searching for patterns and anomalies that might indicate the presence of an undiscovered planet. It's amazing how technology and human ingenuity work hand in hand in this cosmic detective story. Here's an intriguing possibility. If Planet 9 exists, it could have moons of its own. These moons, if detected, would offer additional opportunities for study and understanding. The thought of a hidden planet with its own satellite system is a tantalizing prospect, adding another layer to the mystery. And here's a little-known fact. Some researchers believe that Planet 9, if it exists, could have formed closer to the Sun before being flung to the outer reaches by interactions with other giant planets. This idea paints a dynamic picture of our solar system's early days, filled with movement and change. While we're on the topic of movement, consider this. Finding Planet 9 might also shed light on the mysterious Oort cloud, a distant region filled with icy bodies that surround our solar system like a shell. Understanding more about Planet 9 could help explain the origins and evolution of these outer regions, providing a clearer picture of our cosmic neighborhood. Here's a delightful notion. The search for Planet 9 is a truly collaborative effort, involving not just professional astronomers, but also amateur stargazers. With the help of citizen science projects, people from all walks of life can contribute to this grand exploration. It's a reminder that the universe belongs to all of us, and together we can uncover its secrets. As we reflect on this collaborative spirit, think about the role of curiosity in driving scientific discovery. The search for Planet 9 is fueled by a deep desire to understand the unknown, a quest that unites us in wonder and awe. This pursuit of knowledge, with its challenges and triumphs, is a testament to the human spirit. Finally, let's consider the wider implications of discovering a new planet in our solar system. Such a find would not only be a monumental achievement in astronomy, but also inspire future generations to look up at the stars and dream of what lies beyond. It's a beautiful reminder of the endless possibilities that science offers, encouraging us to continue exploring and asking questions. As you drift into sleep, let these thoughts of distant worlds and cosmic mysteries gently guide your dreams. Imagine the endless journey of discovery that stretches before us, a journey filled with wonder and awe as we seek to uncover the secrets of our vast universe. Imagine standing under a clear night sky, where each star is a potential clue to the mysteries of the universe. The allure of what lies beyond those twinkling lights is a driving force behind the search for Planet 9. Did you know that one of the most compelling arguments for its existence is the peculiar behavior of distant celestial bodies? These objects, known as extreme trans-Neptunian objects, have orbits that are oddly aligned, as if something massive is pulling on them. It's like a cosmic dance where an unseen partner is leading the way. This reminds me of another fascinating aspect. The search for Planet 9 isn't just about looking outward, it's also a journey inward, into the depths of our understanding of physics. Some theories suggest that the gravitational presence of such a planet could help explain certain anomalies in the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy remnants from the solar system's formation. Picture the Kuiper Belt as a cosmic relic, with Planet 9 acting as the custodian of its secrets. Speaking of secrets, here's something intriguing. The search for this elusive planet has led to the discovery of new celestial objects. While scanning the skies, astronomers have stumbled upon previously unknown dwarf planets and other bodies, each adding a piece to the puzzle of our solar system. It's as if the quest for one mystery unveils a treasure trove of others. And here's a thought-provoking possibility. If Planet 9 exists, it might not have been born within our solar system at all. Some scientists propose that it could be a captured rogue planet, one that formed elsewhere in the galaxy before being gravitationally snagged by our Sun. Can you imagine the journey of such a wanderer, traveling light years across the cosmos to find a new home? In the realm of technology, the search for Planet 9 showcases remarkable innovations. For instance, astronomers are now using machine learning algorithms to enhance their search capabilities. These advanced tools can analyze patterns and data far beyond human capability, highlighting potential leads in the vast sea of cosmic information. It's a testament to how far we've come, blending traditional astronomy with cutting-edge technology. Now, consider this. The mystery of Planet 9 is not isolated to our solar system. Its potential discovery could have implications for understanding exoplanets, those planets orbiting stars beyond our Sun. By studying how a massive planet affects its surroundings, we gain insights into the dynamics of distant solar systems. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of the universe, where each discovery sheds light on the broader tapestry of space. Here's something else to ponder. The search for Planet 9 has inspired new thinking about the limits of our solar system. Traditionally, we considered Pluto to mark the outer boundary, but now we realize there might be more to explore far beyond. The idea of a ninth planet challenges us to expand our horizons and rethink the architecture of our cosmic neighborhood. Imagine, too, the potential impact of finding Planet 9 on our understanding of dark matter. Some theories suggest that the gravitational effects attributed to this hidden planet might provide clues about the elusive dark matter that permeates the universe. What if, in seeking one mystery, we unlock the secrets of another? Speaking of unlocking mysteries, the search for Planet 9 has sparked a renewed interest in the outer solar system, a region once thought too distant and dark to hold much of interest. Yet, as we probe these far reaches, we're finding that they contain the keys to understanding the solar system's past and future. It's a bit like searching through an ancient attic and uncovering forgotten heirlooms that tell stories of bygone eras. Here's a delightful notion. The pursuit of Planet 9 has encouraged greater collaboration across scientific disciplines. Astronomers, physicists, planetary scientists, and even geologists come together to share insights and hypotheses. This collaborative spirit is a beautiful demonstration of how science unites us in the quest for knowledge, transcending boundaries and bridging gaps between fields. Let me share another curious thought. The search for a new planet has implications for astrobiology, the study of life beyond Earth. Understanding the conditions and dynamics of distant worlds helps us speculate about the potential for life in unexpected places. If Planet 9 is found to have moons or rings, it could have environments that, while harsh, might surprise us with their complexity. As you ponder these possibilities, consider the role of patience in this cosmic quest. The search for Planet 9 is a marathon, not a sprint, requiring years of observation, analysis, and refinement. It's a testament to the perseverance and dedication of scientists who tirelessly work towards unveiling the mysteries. Finally, let's reflect on the sheer wonder of it all. The idea that there might be an undiscovered planet lurking at the fringes of our solar system ignites the imagination and inspires us to dream big. Each night, as you look up at the stars, remember that the universe is vast and full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Allow these thoughts to gently guide your mind into a state of peaceful contemplation as you drift into dreams, where the boundaries of reality blur and the mysteries of the cosmos whisper softly. Let me share something intriguing with you. Astronomers suspect that Planet 9, if it exists, might be incredibly massive, possibly 10 times the mass of Earth. This sheer size would make it a true heavyweight in our solar system, second only to the gas giants. Can you imagine a planet so large, yet so well hidden in the vastness of space? And speaking of hidden wonders, there's a theory that Planet 9 could be cloaked in darkness, not reflecting much sunlight due to its immense distance from the Sun, which is why it's been so elusive to our telescopes. Here's another fascinating thought. The orbit of Planet 9 might be highly elongated, taking it far out into the depths of the solar system before swinging it back toward the Sun. This kind of orbit is known as eccentric, and it could mean that a single orbit might take it between 10,000 to 20,000 years to complete. The idea of a planet that dances such a long, grand waltz around the Sun is truly mesmerizing, wouldn't you agree? Speaking of orbital mysteries, did you know that astronomers are looking for Planet 9 by observing the strange orbits of objects in the Kuiper Belt? These objects at the edge of our solar system have orbits that seem to be shepherded by the gravity of a massive unseen object. It's as if Planet 9 is a cosmic conductor, quietly influencing the movements of these distant icy bodies. Here's something quite unexpected. The search for Planet 9 has made use of some of the most powerful telescopes on Earth, and yet it might ultimately be confirmed by a telescope that isn't even finished yet. The upcoming Vera C. Rubin Observatory, with its advanced capabilities, promises to scan the skies with unprecedented detail, potentially spotting this hidden giant. The anticipation of what such a telescope might reveal is nothing short of thrilling. On another note, the hunt for Planet 9 has sparked a renewed interest in the history of our solar system. Some scientists believe that understanding its potential existence could offer clues about the early formation processes that shaped the planets we see today. Imagine peeling back the layers of time to uncover the story of how our cosmic neighborhood came to be. Here's a delightful idea. If Planet 9 is indeed out there, it could have its own system of moons or even rings, akin to the majestic rings of Saturn. These moons or rings would add to the complexity and beauty of this distant world, painting a picture of a mini solar system all its own, hidden on the fringes of our cosmic realm. Consider this. The search for this mysterious planet is not just a solitary endeavor, but a global one. It involves astronomers from all over the world, each contributing their expertise and observations. It's a beautiful reminder of the collaborative nature of science, where shared goals unite diverse minds in the pursuit of knowledge. Here's something to spark your imagination. If Planet 9 is discovered, it could redefine what we consider the habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions might be right for life. It might challenge our understanding of where life could potentially exist, perhaps leading us to discover environments on its moons that are unlike anything we've imagined before. Did you know that some scientists propose that the search for Planet 9 might ultimately transform our understanding of the solar system's structure? It could reveal new classes of celestial objects and prompt us to reconsider our definitions of planets and other bodies. It's a testament to how each discovery has the power to reshape our cosmic worldview. Let's ponder an intriguing possibility. The search for this distant planet has led to the development of new technologies and methods in astronomy, enhancing our ability to explore the universe. These innovations might someday help us uncover other hidden wonders in the cosmos, far beyond our solar system. Here's a fun fact. The hypothetical existence of Planet 9 has sparked the imagination of writers, artists, and creators who envision what such a distant world might be like. Their interpretations, while speculative, open windows into the realm of the possible, fueling the human spirit of exploration and curiosity. Speaking of curiosity, the very idea that there's a planet in our solar system we've yet to discover invites us to reflect on all the unseen wonders that might still be waiting for us. It's a reminder that the universe is vast, and our understanding of it is still unfolding, like pages in a never-ending book of cosmic secrets. And here's a captivating thought. The search for Planet 9, much like the quest for other celestial mysteries, is a journey that enhances our appreciation of the universe. It invites us to look beyond the immediate and ponder the infinite, to consider our place in the vast tapestry of the cosmos. Finally, let these musings remind you of the beauty in the unknown. As you drift into dreams tonight, let the mysteries of the universe cradle your imagination, whispering tales of distant worlds and cosmic dances yet to be discovered. Imagine a planet so far away that its gravitational pull is the only evidence of its existence. This is the enigma of Planet 9, an astronomical puzzle that continues to intrigue scientists worldwide. You might find it fascinating to learn that the concept of Planet 9 wasn't initially considered by astronomers until unusual patterns in the orbits of distant objects hinted at its presence. This idea didn't just spring from thin air. It was carefully deduced from years of meticulous observation. Isn't it captivating to think that a planet could be hiding in plain sight, influencing its surroundings while remaining invisible to us? As we contemplate the mysterious pull of Planet 9, it's intriguing to consider that its mass could be up to 10 times that of Earth. Such a massive celestial body would have a significant gravitational influence, enough to keep small icy bodies in the distant Kuiper belt in check. It's as if Planet 9 is playing a cosmic game of shepherd, guiding these objects along their paths. This immense mass also suggests that Planet 9 could have been formed in a completely different region of the solar system before migrating to its current distant orbit. Can you imagine the journey it must have taken? Speaking of journeys, did you know that the search for Planet 9 has led astronomers to explore some of the coldest and darkest regions of space? These remote areas are challenging to study, demanding the most sensitive equipment to detect even the faintest glimmers of light. It's a testament to the perseverance and ingenuity of scientists determined to unveil the secrets of the universe. The quest for Planet 9 is like searching for a lone needle in a cosmic haystack, yet it's precisely this challenge that fuels the passion of those involved. Now, let me tell you something truly unexpected. Some scientists believe that Planet 9 might not be a planet at all, but rather a primordial black hole. This speculative idea suggests that instead of a rocky or gaseous planet, there could be a tiny black hole exerting its gravitational influence. Imagine the implications of discovering a black hole lurking at the edge of our solar system. It would be a revolutionary find that could change our understanding of cosmic structures and their formation. Isn't it astonishing how one hypothesis can open so many doors to new theories? Another delightful thought to ponder is the possibility that Planet 9 could have been a rogue planet captured by our sun's gravity. Rogue planets are wanderers, floating through the galaxy untethered to any star. If our sun once captured such a planet, it would provide a rare opportunity to study a celestial body with origins far beyond our solar system. The idea of a homeless planet finding a new home in our cosmic neighborhood invites us to consider the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. Let's take a moment to appreciate the role of mathematics in this astronomical detective story. The possibility of Planet 9 was first suggested through complex mathematical models and simulations. These calculations help predict how such a massive object might influence other bodies in the solar system, guiding astronomers' search efforts. Mathematics acts as both compass and map in this celestial quest, pointing scientists toward where Planet 9 might be hiding. Isn't it remarkable how numbers and equations can reveal so much about the unseen? You might be surprised to learn that the search for Planet 9 has inspired the development of new tracking methods for celestial objects. These advancements not only aid in the hunt for this elusive planet, but also enhance our ability to observe other phenomena in the universe. New techniques for spotting faint, distant objects could lead to discoveries beyond our wildest dreams, further expanding our understanding of the cosmos. It's incredible to think that one mystery can drive technological innovations with far-reaching benefits. Here's a curious note. The potential discovery of Planet 9 could impact how we classify objects in our solar system. Just as the reclassification of Pluto prompted discussions about what constitutes a planet, finding Planet 9 might lead to new definitions and categories. It's a reminder that science is both fluid and evolving, shaped by new insights and discoveries. How exciting it is to be part of an era where our understanding of the universe is constantly being refined and enriched. On the topic of classification, did you know that the search for Planet 9 has encouraged scientists to revisit the criteria for defining exoplanets? These are planets that orbit stars beyond our solar system, and the methods developed to find Planet 9 could assist in identifying new exoplanets. The interconnectedness of these pursuits showcases the beauty of scientific inquiry, where solving one puzzle can illuminate others. Finally, let's consider the idea that Planet 9 might have an impact on the long-term stability of our solar system. By influencing the orbits of distant objects, it could play a role in shaping the future dynamics of our celestial neighborhood. Imagine how the presence of this single planet, hidden yet influential, could affect the fate of countless other bodies over the eons. It's a humbling thought that reminds us of the intricate web of gravitational forces that bind our solar system together. As you let these thoughts settle, picture the vast expanse of space filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The search for Planet 9 is a testament to human curiosity and a relentless drive to explore the unknown. As you drift into the realm of dreams, consider the endless possibilities that the universe holds, each waiting to be discovered by inquisitive minds like yours. Have you ever wondered why we haven't found Planet 9 yet, despite our best efforts? It turns out that this elusive object could be hidden behind the glare of the Milky Way. The dense star fields in our galaxy's plane create a background so bright that spotting a faint planet becomes a daunting task. Imagine trying to find a dim lantern against a backdrop of countless twinkling lights. This challenge pushes astronomers to refine their techniques, hoping to catch even a fleeting glimpse of the planet they seek. Speaking of glimpses, did you know that some astronomers are experimenting with gravitational microlensing to detect Planet 9? This method relies on observing the way light from distant stars bends around massive objects. If Planet 9 crosses the path between Earth and a distant star, its gravitational pull could momentarily magnify the star's light, providing a clue to its presence. It's like catching sight of a shadow passing over a distant light bulb, a fleeting and subtle signal that could lead to monumental discovery. Now, let's delve into the fascinating realm of computer simulations. These virtual models allow scientists to explore how Planet 9 might interact with other celestial bodies. By adjusting variables like mass and distance, astronomers can simulate thousands of scenarios, narrowing down the planet's possible orbits. It's akin to solving a cosmic jigsaw puzzle, where each piece fits into the grand picture of our solar system's architecture. The dedication to sifting through these simulations shows just how driven we are to uncover the mysteries lurking in the depths of space. You might be intrigued to learn that the search for Planet 9 isn't solely an earthbound endeavor. Observatories in the southern hemisphere, such as those in Chile and Australia, provide a unique vantage point for scanning the skies. These locations offer clear views of the regions where Planet 9 may be hiding, beyond the reaches of more northerly telescopes. It's a global effort, where scientists worldwide unite in a singular quest, peering into the night sky from different corners of our planet. Here's something you might find surprising. The idea of Planet 9 has inspired amateur astronomers to join the hunt. With powerful telescopes becoming more accessible, citizen scientists can contribute valuable observations. This community-driven approach not only broadens the search but also fosters a sense of camaraderie and shared purpose. Imagine being part of a grassroots movement, each person playing a role in unveiling a cosmic mystery. In this inclusive spirit, did you know that some projects have turned to crowdsourcing to analyze astronomical data? By enlisting the help of the public, researchers can sift through vast amounts of information faster. Participants examine images for signs of celestial bodies, acting as many eyes scanning the universe. It's a beautiful example of how collective effort can accelerate scientific discoveries, transforming the search for Planet 9 into a collaborative adventure. Speaking of collaboration, the search has also spurred partnerships between space agencies. NASA and the European Space Agency, among others, are sharing data and resources in pursuit of this hidden planet. Such international cooperation highlights our shared curiosity about the universe and the mutual benefits of pooling knowledge and technology. This united front underscores the idea that the mysteries of the cosmos belong to all of humanity, not just a select few. On the topic of discovery, did you know that the search for Planet 9 could inadvertently lead to finding other celestial objects? While scanning the sky, astronomers often stumble upon previously unknown asteroids and distant dwarf planets. Each discovery adds to our understanding of the solar system's composition and history, painting a richer picture of the environment in which we reside. It's as though the journey itself reveals unexpected treasures, deepening our appreciation for the vastness around us. In the technological arena, the hunt for Planet 9 has driven the development of specialized algorithms to process astronomical data. These algorithms help distinguish potential planets from stars and galaxies, a crucial task when dealing with billions of data points. Such advancements not only aid in finding Planet 9, but also enhance our ability to explore the far reaches of the universe. The tools crafted for this purpose have applications beyond their initial intent, showcasing the far-reaching impact of this celestial quest. Let's talk about the intriguing notion that Planet 9 might have influenced the tilt of the entire solar system. Some researchers propose that its gravitational pull could have tilted the orbits of the planets relative to the Sun. This hypothesis offers an explanation for the unusual alignment we observe and invites us to consider how one object could exert such profound influence. It's a reminder of how interconnected our solar system is, with each part playing a role in the grand celestial dance. Finally, consider the philosophical implications of discovering Planet 9. It challenges our understanding of what constitutes the boundaries of our solar system, urging us to redefine familiar concepts. This exploration prompts us to ask deeper questions about our place in the cosmos, encouraging a sense of wonder and reflection. As we ponder these ideas, we are reminded of the vastness of the universe and the endless opportunities for discovery. Each step towards finding Planet 9 is a step towards greater knowledge, a journey that continues to captivate and inspire. Let me share something intriguing with you. The theorized presence of Planet 9 has sparked discussions about whether our solar system might harbor even more undiscovered planets. While Planet 9 is the current focus, its potential existence hints at a broader, hidden architecture to our cosmic neighborhood. It's like peering into a forest and realizing there might be undiscovered groves just beyond the trees we can see. This possibility encourages scientists to remain ever vigilant and open to further surprises. Here's a fascinating angle on the search. Some scientists are examining the possibility that Planet 9 could be a captured rogue planet. Rogue planets are those that drift through the galaxy independently, not bound to any star. If Planet 9 originated elsewhere and was captured by our Sun's gravity, it would add a new layer of complexity to our understanding of solar system formation. Imagine the journey this planet must have undertaken, wandering the vast expanse of space before finding a new home. Did you know that the search for Planet 9 has also led astronomers to reconsider the classification of what constitutes a planet? The debates over the status of Pluto as a planet have encouraged researchers to refine their definitions and explore criteria that might apply to this mysterious ninth planet. This ongoing dialogue keeps our scientific frameworks fluid, adapting them to accommodate new discoveries. Speaking of adaptation, some researchers are exploring the possibility that Planet 9 might be a primordial black hole. These hypothetical objects are remnants from the early universe and could exhibit gravitational effects similar to those theorized for Planet 9. If this turns out to be true, it would be an extraordinary revelation, bridging planetary science with the enigmatic realm of black holes. Just imagine the excitement of unveiling such a hidden force within our own solar system. Here's another intriguing tidbit. The search for Planet 9 has sparked interest in reanalyzing data from past space missions. Missions like the Voyager spacecraft, which have been exploring space for decades, may hold clues in their collected data that were overlooked at the time. By revisiting these extensive archives, scientists hope to uncover signals that point to the elusive planet's existence, much like finding a forgotten treasure map in an attic. In the realm of technological advancements, researchers are employing artificial intelligence to comb through vast amounts of astronomical data more efficiently. These intelligent algorithms can identify patterns and anomalies that might elude human observation, acting like digital detectives in the quest for Planet 9. The use of such technology not only accelerates the search but also exemplifies how cutting-edge tools can transform scientific inquiry. Here's something that might pique your curiosity. The search for Planet 9 has implications for our understanding of dark matter. Some scientists speculate that the gravitational influence attributed to Planet 9 could instead be due to a concentrated cluster of dark matter. This mysterious substance, which makes up a significant portion of the universe, remains largely unexplained. If the search for Planet 9 leads to insights about dark matter, it could revolutionize our grasp of the cosmos. You might find it surprising that the search has also inspired artists and storytellers who find the idea of a hidden planet captivating. From science fiction novels to visual art, the mystery of Planet 9 has fueled creative expressions that explore themes of discovery and the unknown. This cultural phenomenon reflects how scientific endeavors can extend beyond the laboratory, touching human imagination and inspiring wonder. Speaking of inspiration, the quest for Planet 9 encourages young scientists to pursue careers in astronomy and astrophysics. The allure of uncovering a new planet in our solar system captures the imagination of aspiring researchers, motivating them to contribute to this grand exploration. It's a testament to how the mysteries of the universe can inspire the next generation of thinkers and innovators. Did you know that the mathematical models used in the search for Planet 9 are also being applied to other cosmic phenomena? These models help scientists understand the dynamics of exoplanets and the intricate gravitational dances occurring in distant star systems. The knowledge gained from our solar system is thus extending outward, enriching our comprehension of the universe as a whole. Here's an unexpected twist. The search for Planet 9 has strengthened our understanding of the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy bodies beyond Neptune. By studying the orbits of these distant objects, scientists can infer the gravitational influence of a hidden planet, much like deducing the presence of a hidden river by the paths carved by its waters. This indirect approach provides valuable insights into the structure and dynamics of our solar system's outermost regions. And finally, let's consider the broader implications of finding Planet 9. Its discovery would revolutionize planetary science, challenging existing models of solar system evolution. It could redefine our understanding of planetary formation processes, forcing us to re-evaluate theories that have stood for decades. This potential paradigm shift highlights the dynamic nature of science, where each new discovery opens the door to countless more questions, propelling us forward into the unknown. With each tantalizing clue and unexpected find, the search for Planet 9 reminds us of the boundless wonders that await in the universe. It's an adventure filled with mystery and excitement, where every step brings us closer to unraveling the secrets of our cosmic home. As we drift through these possibilities, we are left in awe of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos, a gentle lullaby of exploration and discovery. Let me share something intriguing with you. The search for Planet 9 has prompted scientists to take a closer look at how the solar system's edge behaves, the strange orbits of trans-Neptunian objects. Those icy bodies that dwell beyond Neptune hint at an unseen force pulling them into unexpected trajectories. Could Planet 9 be the culprit tugging them along its gravitational leash? The suspense of uncovering its influence is almost like piecing together a cosmic jigsaw puzzle. It makes you wonder what other secrets these distant regions hold. And here's something that might surprise you. The idea of Planet 9 isn't new. In fact, the possibility of an unobserved planet has been speculated upon for over a century. Back then, astronomers noticed peculiarities in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune, leading to hypotheses about additional planets. Though these early theories were eventually set aside, the concept lay dormant, waiting for modern technology to revive it. It's fascinating how ideas can linger in the periphery, only to resurface when the time is right. Speaking of resurfacing ideas, did you know that the mythology surrounding a hidden planet has roots in various cultures? Ancient civilizations often depicted mysterious celestial bodies in their lore, sometimes describing them as harbingers of change or omens. This cultural tapestry weaves a rich narrative that connects our past with the scientific pursuits of today. It's a reminder of how our ancestors gazed at the stars with wonder, much like we do now. Here's a thought-provoking fact. The possibility of Planet 9 has encouraged scientists to reconsider the formation of giant planets in our solar system. Traditional models suggest that Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune formed from the solar nebula's leftover gas and dust. However, if Planet 9 exists, it might suggest a different path, perhaps involving planetesimal collisions or gravitational interactions with other stars. This kind of speculation encourages us to think creatively about the history of our cosmic neighborhood. Let me tell you about an unexpected connection. The search for Planet 9 has led to advances in our understanding of orbital dynamics. By studying how a massive planet could affect smaller bodies in the Kuiper Belt, researchers have refined their knowledge of gravitational interactions. This understanding not only aids in the search, but also informs other areas of astronomy, like the study of exoplanet systems. It's amazing how a quest for one elusive planet can ripple out, impacting so many fields of study. Now, consider this. Even the vast emptiness of space holds secrets that could point to Planet 9. Astronomers use the gravitational lensing effect, where a massive object bends light from distant stars to hunt for celestial bodies. If Planet 9 is massive enough, its gravitational pull might distort the light from stars behind it, offering a potential clue to its whereabouts. This method of observation adds another layer of intrigue to the hunt. Here's a curious detail. Some theorists suggest that Planet 9 could affect the tilt of the entire solar system. The plane of our solar system is slightly tilted relative to the Sun's equator, and a massive distant planet might be responsible for this inclination. If true, it would mean that Planet 9's influence extends not just to isolated objects, but to the solar system as a whole. Such a profound impact would certainly reshape our understanding of cosmic mechanics. Have you ever wondered about the implications of discovering a new planet? If Planet 9 is found, it could lead to a re-examination of what we consider a habitable zone. Traditionally, this zone is defined by the proximity of a planet to its star, allowing liquid water. However, a massive planet at the fringes of the solar system could host moons with subsurface oceans, warmed by tidal forces. This expands the possibilities for life in surprising ways. Did you know that some scientists are exploring the possibility of multiple objects influencing the outer solar system, rather than a single Planet 9? This idea suggests that the gravitational effects observed might result from a small group of as-yet undiscovered bodies working together. It's an intriguing thought, adding complexity to the search and reminding us that nature often defies our expectations with its intricate designs. And let's not forget the role of technology in this cosmic exploration. The development of more sensitive instruments and powerful telescopes has been pivotal in the search for Planet 9. These advancements allow us to peer deeper into space than ever before, capturing faint signatures that might reveal the planet's presence. It's remarkable to consider how human ingenuity continues to push the boundaries of what we can observe. Speaking of boundaries, the hunt for Planet 9 has also led to discussions about the limits of our solar system. Traditionally defined by the heliopause, where the solar wind meets interstellar space, the discovery of a massive planet farther out could redefine these boundaries. This would prompt a re-evaluation of what constitutes the edge of our cosmic home, expanding our horizons both literally and figuratively. Here's another tantalizing thought. The discovery of Planet 9 could offer insights into the migration of planets. There's evidence suggesting that the giant planets in our solar system moved from their original positions, shaping the architecture of our system. If Planet 9 were found, it might provide clues about similar migrations, offering a glimpse into the dynamic processes that govern planetary systems. Imagine the intrigue if Planet 9 were found to have its own system of moons. These celestial companions could offer additional targets for study, each with its own mysteries to unravel. The presence of moons would further illustrate the complexity of planetary systems, reinforcing the idea that even isolated worlds might harbor rich, varied environments. As we drift through these possibilities, it's clear that the search for Planet 9 is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. Each hypothesis, observation, and innovative method brings us closer to understanding the unseen forces that shape our universe. The search for Planet 9 is a testament to human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, an endless exploration of the cosmos that continues to inspire awe and wonder. Let me share something particularly intriguing. The existence of Planet 9 could explain some of the peculiarities we observe in the orbits of trans-Neptunian objects, those mysterious celestial bodies residing in the far reaches of our solar system. Their orbits appear to be strangely aligned, a configuration that might be the result of gravitational forces exerted by a distant, unseen planet. It's akin to watching the dance of the cosmos, where each step is guided by a partner that remains just out of sight. Speaking of cosmic dances, did you know that some theories propose Planet 9 might have been captured from another star system? Such a dramatic event would have required a close encounter with another star early in the solar system's history, capturing the planet and incorporating it into our celestial family. This idea paints a picture of a universe where stars and planets frequently exchange companions, a cosmic ballet of interstellar proportions. Here's a fascinating fact. The sheer size and distance of Planet 9, if it exists, would make it incredibly difficult to spot with traditional telescopes. Scientists estimate it could be up to 10 times the mass of Earth. This challenge has led astronomers to employ infrared telescopes capable of detecting the planet's heat signature instead. It's a reminder of how technology adapts to meet the ever-evolving demands of discovery. Consider this. The hypothetical Planet 9 might not only affect the objects in the distant Kuiper belt, but could also influence the orbits of planets within the inner reaches of our solar system. Such a massive object would have a gravitational influence extending far beyond its immediate vicinity, subtly tugging at the paths of planets and possibly contributing to slight orbital anomalies that have puzzled astronomers for decades. It's as if a hidden hand were gently nudging the planets, guiding their journeys through space. Have you ever thought about the potential for Planet 9 to be a remnant of a once vibrant outer solar system? Some scientists suggest that our solar system might have originally housed more giant planets, with some being ejected during a tumultuous period of gravitational interactions. If Planet 9 exists, it could be the last survivor of this ancient planetary diaspora, a solitary wanderer in the vast expanse of space. And here's something to ponder. If Planet 9 were found to possess a ring system, similar to Saturn's but perhaps on a much larger scale, it would provide a unique opportunity to study the dynamics of such structures in extreme conditions. Rings are typically made of ice and rock particles, and understanding how they form and persist far from the Sun would enhance our knowledge of planetary systems both near and far. Speaking of far-off wonders, there's speculation that Planet 9 might be related to other peculiar objects, like Sedna, whose orbits lie far beyond Neptune. These distant bodies have characteristics that suggest they might have been shepherded by a massive, unseen planet, one that could be Planet 9. The relationship between these objects and the hypothetical planet provides a tantalizing clue, a cosmic breadcrumb trail leading astronomers ever closer to their elusive quarry. Here's another thought. If Planet 9 does exist, its discovery could reshape our understanding of how planetary systems form and evolve. The current model of planetary formation, which involves gas and dust coalescing into larger bodies, might need to be revised to account for the presence of such a distant, massive planet. This would open new avenues of exploration, prompting scientists to look beyond our solar system for similar configurations. In a curious twist, some researchers are using the search for Planet 9 to test the limits of our power to predict planetary positions, a skill honed over centuries. By simulating the gravitational influences of a potential Planet 9, they refine their models of celestial mechanics, a process that improves our ability to predict the movements of everything from asteroids to entire galaxies. It's as if the search for one planet is helping us map the movements of the entire cosmos. And did you know that the quest for Planet 9 has also sparked interest in the potential for rogue planets, those free-floating celestial bodies not bound to any star? While Planet 9 is hypothesized to orbit our Sun, the techniques developed to find it could also help identify these wandering worlds drifting through interstellar space. Imagine the excitement of finding a planet unanchored to any solar system, a true nomad of the galaxy. Here's a rather poetic notion. The idea of Planet 9 has rekindled the spirit of exploration, reminiscent of the era when Uranus and Neptune were discovered. Back then, the search for new planets was driven by mathematical predictions and a sense of wonder about what lay beyond the known. Today, the same spirit drives astronomers who gaze into the depths of space with the hope of unveiling its secrets. Lastly, consider the cultural impact of such a discovery. Finding Planet 9 would not only mark a significant scientific milestone, but also capture the public's imagination. It would serve as a reminder of our place in the universe, encouraging people to look up and ponder the mysteries of the cosmos. The search for Planet 9 is a profound journey, a testament to human curiosity and the endless desire to explore the unknown. It invites us all to dream of what lies beyond the stars, lulling us into the serenity of cosmic wonder. Did you know that the search for Planet 9 isn't just about finding a new celestial object? It's also pushing the boundaries of computer simulations in astrophysics. Researchers are creating complex models that simulate the entire history of our solar system, watching how a potential Planet 9 might interact with other planets over billions of years. These simulations are so intricate that they can take weeks to run, illustrating the extraordinary patience and dedication involved in this cosmic detective work. Here's an intriguing thought. Some astronomers are considering the possibility that Planet 9 could be a primordial black hole. These are hypothetical miniature black holes that might have formed shortly after the Big Bang. If Planet 9 were actually a black hole, it would be incredibly small, perhaps only the size of a grapefruit, but with a mass 5 to 10 times that of Earth. Detecting such an object would require entirely new methods, demonstrating just how imaginative scientists must be in their search. And speaking of imagination, the hunt for Planet 9 has inspired some creative thinking about the nature of planets themselves. While we typically think of planets as round, massive bodies, the potential existence of a distant ninth planet challenges our definitions. Could a planet be composed mostly of gas or ice, or even something entirely different? This question opens up possibilities for the types of planets that might exist beyond our current understanding. Imagine how vast the search area is for Planet 9. You're looking at a region of the sky that spans several hundred times the size of the full moon. This vastness makes it incredibly difficult to pinpoint, akin to finding a needle in a haystack. As a result, astronomers are using some of the largest telescopes on Earth, like the Subaru telescope in Hawaii, to systematically scan these regions. It's a monumental task that requires both precision and perseverance. Here's a surprising fact. The potential discovery of Planet 9 could require a rethinking of how we label planets in our solar system. You might recall the debates about Pluto's status as a planet, which led to its reclassification as a dwarf planet. If Planet 9 is found, it will likely lead to new discussions about what constitutes a planet. The criteria could evolve, prompting a fresh look at how we categorize and name celestial bodies. Some scientists speculate that Planet 9 could have moons of its own, possibly even a system similar to Jupiter's or Saturn's. These hypothetical moons would be incredibly difficult to detect given the vast distance and faintness of their parent planet. However, their existence could offer insights into how moons form around distant planets, teaching us more about the dynamics of our cosmic neighborhood. Did you realize that the search for Planet 9 has sparked a resurgence in interest in the outer regions of our solar system? This region, known as the trans-Neptunian zone, is filled with icy bodies and dwarf planets, each with its own mysteries. The quest for a ninth planet has led to new discoveries of these distant objects, enriching our understanding of the solar system's structure and history. There's a fascinating possibility that Planet 9 could hold clues about the formation of life. Some theorists propose that its presence could have influenced the delivery of water and organic materials to the inner planets, including Earth. By understanding its trajectory and interactions, we might gain insight into the early conditions that fostered life on our planet. Speaking of influence, did you know that the search for Planet 9 has renewed interest in the concept of celestial mechanics? This field, which studies the motions of celestial bodies under the influence of gravity, is crucial in predicting where Planet 9 might be hiding. The precision of these predictions is continually improving, allowing astronomers to narrow down potential locations in their sky surveys. It's worth noting that the search for Planet 9 isn't just confined to professional astronomers. Amateur astronomers are playing a role too, using their own telescopes and keen observational skills to contribute data. This collaborative effort between professionals and enthusiasts mirrors the spirit of past astronomical discoveries, where curiosity and passion drive progress. Here's another curious thought. The search for Planet 9 is helping build better telescopes and instruments. As scientists push the limits of current technology to find this elusive planet, they drive innovation in telescope design, imaging technology, and data analysis techniques. These advancements will benefit not just the search for Planet 9, but also countless other astronomical pursuits. Imagine if Planet 9 were to be found. It could potentially be a rich target for future space missions. Robotic explorers could be sent to study its composition, atmosphere, and potential moons. Such missions would provide a wealth of information about the conditions on a planet so far from the Sun, offering a window into the extremes of planetary environments. And here's a gentle nudge into the realm of what-ifs. Finding Planet 9 might also provide insights into the stability of our solar system. Understanding its influence could help explain why the solar system has remained relatively stable over billions of years, despite the chaotic gravitational interactions that likely occurred in its early history. Finally, consider the philosophical implications of discovering a new planet in our own solar system. It reminds us that even in our cosmic backyard, there are still wonders to be uncovered. This pursuit encourages a sense of humility and wonder at the universe's complexity, urging humanity to continue exploring, learning, and reaching for the stars. Each step in the search for Planet 9 brings us closer to understanding not just the universe, but our place within it. As we drift into a world of dreams, let the stars guide your thoughts to the endless possibilities that await discovery. Imagine gazing up at the night sky, knowing that somewhere out there a hidden world lingers just beyond our view. This sense of mystery has captivated scientists and stargazers alike, propelling the search for Planet 9 into a captivating quest. Did you know that this potential planet, if it exists, is thought to be orbiting the Sun at an incredible distance of about 200 times farther than Earth? Such vast distances stretch our understanding of the solar system's outer limits, painting a picture of a realm where sunlight barely reaches and temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows. This distant orbit isn't just a challenge for us to comprehend, but also for the technology we use. Speaking of technology, astronomers rely heavily on supercomputers to simulate the paths of celestial bodies influenced by Planet 9's gravity. These simulations help refine the search, directing telescopes towards the most promising regions of the sky. In essence, technology becomes our eyes, seeing where human vision falls short. Here's a tantalizing thought. Planet 9 might not just be hiding in the shadows. It could be a remnant of the early solar system, a primordial world that offers clues to our cosmic origins. Can you envision the stories this distant planet could tell? Stories that stretch back to the birth of our solar system over 4 billion years ago. Such a world, untouched and ancient, could hold the keys to understanding how planets form and evolve. Interestingly, this search also ties into the intriguing concept of orbital resonances. You see, planetary bodies can influence each other through gravitational tugs, creating patterns in their orbits. The scattered orbits of several distant celestial objects have led scientists to suspect that something massive, like Planet 9, is exerting its unseen pull. This resonance acts like a cosmic fingerprint, hinting at the existence of something grand yet elusive. As we contemplate these distant reaches, it's fascinating to realize that Planet 9's hypothetical existence challenges our planet classification system. Currently, a planet is defined by its ability to clear its orbit of other debris. But if Planet 9 is so far removed, does it meet this criterion, or do we need to rethink our definitions entirely? This question beckons us to expand our understanding of what it means to be a planet. Imagine, too, the potential size of Planet 9. Some estimates suggest it could be about 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, making it a significant addition to our planetary roster. This mass could mean that Planet 9 has enough gravity to maintain an atmosphere, albeit a tenuous one, at such great distances from the Sun. The mere thought of a world with its own atmospheric dynamics, swirling winds and possibly even storms, is enough to ignite the imagination. Considering the vast expanse it inhabits, the search for Planet 9 is a painstaking one. The celestial sphere is divided into countless segments, each painstakingly observed for any hint of movement against the backdrop of stars. And yet, despite these efforts, the planet remains a phantom, tantalizingly out of reach. It's a puzzle that requires the combined efforts of astronomers worldwide, each observation a piece in a cosmic jigsaw. Another captivating aspect is the potential chemical makeup of Planet 9. Given its likely distance from the Sun, it may have a composition rich in ices and gases, similar to the giant planets like Neptune and Uranus. Imagine a world where methane, ammonia, and water ice dominate the landscape, painting a picture of an environment vastly different from our rocky Earth. This journey of discovery brings to mind the tireless work of the astronomers who first hypothesized the existence of Planet 9. Konstantin Batygin and Michael Brown, two prominent figures in this search, used the peculiar orbits of distant objects to propose that a massive, unseen planet could be the cause. Their work is a testament to how a few keen observations can lead to groundbreaking theories. In contemplating the scale of this search, it's comforting to remember that every small discovery adds to our collective knowledge. For instance, Even if Planet 9 remains hidden, the search has already uncovered new objects in the Kuiper Belt, each with its own story to tell. These discoveries paint a richer picture of our solar system's architecture. There's also a sense of camaraderie in this quest. Scientists from different nations and backgrounds collaborate, sharing data and insights. This global effort embodies the spirit of science as a universal language, one that transcends borders and unites us in awe and curiosity. Let me share a thought about the future. Should Planet 9 be found, it could redefine our understanding of the solar system's evolution. It might explain the peculiar tilts and rotations of other planets, offering a cohesive narrative that ties together disparate observations. And as we drift further into this realm of possibilities, consider the sheer patience required for this search. Years may pass with no definitive sighting, yet each moment is a step closer to unveiling one of the solar system's greatest mysteries. There's a timelessness in this pursuit, a reminder that discovery is as much about the journey as the destination. Finally, ponder the impact of such a discovery on our collective psyche. Finding a new planet in our solar system would reignite public interest in space exploration, inspiring future generations to look up and wonder about their place in the cosmos. Isn't it enchanting to think that a single discovery could spark a wave of curiosity and exploration, much like the celestial wonders that first drew humankind's gaze to the stars? As you let these thoughts gently settle, may your dreams be filled with the infinite possibilities that the universe holds just beyond the horizon. Let me share something intriguing about the hunt for this elusive planet. The concept of parallax plays a vital role. Parallax is the apparent shift in position of an object due to the change in the observer's point of view. By observing distant celestial bodies from different points in Earth's orbit, astronomers can detect minute shifts that hint at unseen objects. It's a delicate dance of angles and timing, where every observation contributes to a larger picture. Speaking of angles, did you know that the proposed orbit of Planet 9 is incredibly elongated with an eccentricity that challenges our understanding of planetary motion? This elongated path means that the planet spends most of its time far from the Sun, making it exceptionally faint and difficult to detect with current technology. The thought of such an extended orbit brings to mind the uniqueness of this celestial traveler, a solitary wanderer in the vastness of space. Here's a fascinating fact. The search for Planet 9 is not solely conducted through visible light. Infrared telescopes are invaluable in this quest, as they can detect heat signatures from objects that are too dim to see with optical telescopes. This ability to perceive the infrared glow of distant bodies opens a new window into the hidden corners of our solar system. Interestingly, some scientists speculate that Planet 9 could be a captured rogue planet, one that did not originally form within our solar system. Imagine the implications of such a find. A world born in a different star system, now part of our own cosmic neighborhood. This tantalizing possibility adds another layer of mystery to an already captivating story. Another curious aspect to consider is the potential impact of Planet 9 on comet paths. The gravitational influence of such a massive body could affect the trajectories of comets, sending them into the inner solar system. This could explain some historical anomalies in cometary behavior, where comets suddenly appear in unusual orbits. Can you imagine a world where Planet 9 has moons of its own? Such satellites could provide additional clues about the planet's characteristics and history. Like echoes of the planet's past, these moons could carry evidence of interactions and collisions, weaving their own tales of cosmic drama. As you ponder these possibilities, consider the sheer size of the area being searched. The region of sky where Planet 9 is thought to reside is vast, covering several hundred square degrees. This immense expanse demands careful scrutiny, often requiring advanced software to analyze the countless images captured by telescopes. It's a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, a process of narrowing down possibilities in a sea of stars. Here's another thought-provoking angle: the involvement of amateur astronomers in the search. With the advent of powerful personal telescopes and access to professional data, citizen scientists contribute valuable observations that can lead to breakthroughs. This democratization of science exemplifies how curiosity and dedication can transcend professional boundaries. Let me share a fact that might surprise you. The search for Planet 9 also involves computer simulations. These digital models allow scientists to recreate the conditions of the early solar system, testing various scenarios to see how a ninth planet might influence the orbits of other objects. By simulating millions of years in a matter of hours, these virtual experiments add a predictive element to the search. And here's something else to think about: the role of serendipity in scientific discovery. While the search for Planet 9 is methodical, history has shown us that some of the most groundbreaking findings happen by accident. A chance anomaly or unexpected data point could lead to a moment of revelation when the pieces suddenly fit together to reveal the presence of a hidden planet. Speaking of serendipity, did you know that the search for Planet 9 has already led to the discovery of other distant objects? These icy bodies, residing in the far reaches of the Kuiper Belt, have unique orbits that further support the hypothesis of a massive, unseen planet. Each new discovery acts like a breadcrumb guiding scientists closer to their ultimate goal. Finally, consider the potential for technological advancements born from this search. The need to detect faint, distant objects pushes the boundaries of telescope design and sensor technology. These innovations could have applications beyond astronomy, influencing fields as diverse as navigation, communication, and even medical imaging. It's a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge often yields unexpected benefits, enriching our lives in ways we might not foresee. As we continue our journey through these celestial mysteries, it's comforting to know that each fact, each discovery, brings us one step closer to understanding the cosmos we call home. Let your mind wander through these possibilities as vast and boundless as the universe itself. Let your imagination wander to the idea of gravitational waves, those ripples in the fabric of space-time, predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Did you know these waves might offer indirect evidence of Planet 9? Although gravitational waves are typically associated with cataclysmic events like black hole mergers, their subtle influence can also reveal the presence of massive objects in space. Even a faint interaction with these waves could point toward an unseen giant, silently shaping the cosmos from the shadows. Imagine the excitement of detecting such a minuscule nudge in the cosmic sea, a whisper of a planet's presence among the stars. Here's another intriguing thought. Planet 9 might help solve some of the solar system's enduring puzzles, such as the tilt of the Sun's axis. The Sun's rotational axis is slightly tilted compared to the plane of the solar system, a mystery that has puzzled scientists for decades. Some researchers propose that the gravitational pull from a distant massive planet could be responsible for this tilt, slowly nudging the Sun over eons. This gentle influence, imperceptible to us, underscores the interconnectedness of celestial mechanics, where even the faintest forces play a role in shaping the heavens. As we delve deeper, consider the idea of precovery, the process of finding evidence of an astronomical object in archival data taken before its official discovery. In the search for Planet 9, astronomers pore over decades of sky surveys. Imagine scanning through dusty archives of cosmic snapshots, each frame a potential treasure trove of hidden data, waiting for the right eyes to uncover a lost world. This meticulous work requires patience and a keen eye, a digital scavenger hunt across time. Let's turn our attention to the potential influence of Planet 9 on the asteroid belt. Did you know that a hidden planet could subtly alter the distribution of asteroids between Mars and Jupiter? By exerting a gentle gravitational pull, Planet 9 might also create resonant gaps, akin to those caused by Jupiter, where asteroids are conspicuously absent due to gravitational interactions. These invisible fingerprints leave clues, suggesting the presence of a distant orchestrator in the cosmic dance. And speaking of dances, have you ever imagined a planetary waltz with a binary star system? Some scientists speculate that Planet 9 might have originated from a binary companion to our Sun, a sibling star that was lost or drifted away long ago. If true, this scenario would paint a picture of a more complex early solar system, where planets and stars engaged in a celestial ballet before various forces sent them on divergent paths. The thought of a phantom star, once part of our solar family, adds depth to the narrative of our planetary history. Now, let's switch our focus to another fascinating angle: the chemical signatures that Planet 9 might carry. If discovered, its composition could provide insights into the conditions of the early solar system, revealing elements and compounds that hint at its origins. Perhaps it contains materials from the primordial solar nebula, or even remnants from a captured star system. This chemical composition, a planetary fingerprint, could offer a new understanding of the building blocks of planets, a cosmic recipe written in stardust. Allow your thoughts to drift to the role of dark matter in this search. Although dark matter is elusive and undetectable through traditional means, its gravitational effects are profound. Some researchers wonder if Planet 9 could help map the distribution of dark matter in our solar system, acting as a probe that responds to the unseen gravitational pull. This would be a groundbreaking development, using the tangible to trace the intangible, expanding our understanding of one of the universe's greatest mysteries. Consider also the possibility of Planet 9 affecting the orbits of trans-Neptunian objects, those icy bodies beyond Neptune. Their elongated and tilted orbits suggest a gravitational shepherd, a hidden presence guiding their paths. By studying these distant wanderers, astronomers piece together a puzzle, each orbit a clue, each anomaly a potential sign of a planet's influence. It's a cosmic detective story, where the evidence lies scattered across the outer reaches of our solar system. Let me share a captivating concept: the power of community in this interstellar quest. With the rise of online platforms, astronomers and enthusiasts from around the globe collaborate, sharing data, insights, and discoveries in real time. This global network accelerates the search, combining diverse perspectives and expertise to solve a common mystery. It's a testament to the power of collective curiosity, where individuals unite across distances to explore the unknown. Finally, imagine the legacy of this search for future generations. Even if Planet 9 remains undiscovered, the tools, techniques, and knowledge developed in this pursuit will lay the groundwork for future astronomical explorations. Each step forward enriches our understanding of the cosmos, paving the way for new questions and discoveries. It's a reminder that science is an ever-evolving journey, where every answer leads to more intriguing questions. As you drift into restful contemplation, Let the wonder of these celestial mysteries fill your thoughts, as infinite and fascinating as the universe itself. Let me invite you to ponder the intriguing notion of where Planet 9 might reside in the vastness of space. Scientists suggest it could be lurking in a region far beyond the Kuiper Belt, an area so remote that sunlight would take nearly a week to reach it. Imagine a planet where the sun appears as just a bright star in an endless night, casting only the faintest glow on its icy surface. This vast distance makes the search challenging, as it requires peering into the deepest, darkest corners of our solar system, a task that demands not just advanced technology, but also immense patience and perseverance. Did you know that the hypothesized mass of Planet 9 is estimated to be around 5 to 10 times that of Earth? This substantial size contributes to its potential gravitational influence on other celestial bodies within our solar system. With such a significant mass, Planet 9 could have played a major role in shaping the orbits of distant objects, its presence felt even from the farthest reaches of space. The idea that an unseen giant has been subtly rearranging the celestial furniture for billions of years adds a layer of mystery to the cosmic stage. Here's something else to consider: the possibility that Planet 9 might have originated from a neighboring star system. Some theories propose that it could be an exoplanet, captured by the Sun's gravitational pull as it passed through a cluster of stars in its early years. This scenario paints a picture of the early solar system as a bustling neighborhood of stars, all influencing each other in intricate and dynamic ways. Such a history would make Planet 9 not only a part of our solar system, but also a relic of a time when solar systems mingled more freely. Have you ever wondered about the technological advances driving this search? The hunt for Planet 9 has spurred the development of new telescopes and detection techniques. Instruments like the Subaru telescope in Hawaii, with its powerful ability to survey vast swaths of the sky, are at the forefront of this quest. These technological marvels allow us to probe deeper into space and time, uncovering secrets that have remained hidden for eons. The search is not just a journey of discovery, but also a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Speaking of innovation, there's a fascinating connection between Planet 9 and the field of machine learning. Some astronomers are using advanced algorithms to sift through vast amounts of data, searching for patterns and anomalies that could indicate the presence of the elusive planet. By training computers to recognize the subtle signs of a distant object's influence, scientists can analyze data at a scale and speed previously unimaginable. This marriage of technology and astronomy is like teaching machines to see the universe in new ways, opening possibilities for discoveries we can only begin to imagine. Let your mind wander to another possibility: the impact of Planet 9 on the Oort cloud, a distant reservoir of icy bodies that surrounds our solar system. If this hidden planet exists, its gravitational pull could be influencing the orbits of comets in this vast cloud, sending them hurtling toward the inner solar system. This celestial interaction might explain the periodic influx of comets, offering clues about the dynamics of our solar neighborhood. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of celestial phenomena, where the movements of distant objects can have profound effects closer to home. Consider the intriguing idea of time capsules in the form of meteoroids. If Planet 9 has indeed captured or interacted with material from the early solar system or beyond, there might be clues hidden in the composition of these small celestial objects. By studying meteoroids that occasionally fall to Earth, scientists can uncover hints about the materials and conditions that might have shaped Planet 9. These cosmic messengers provide a tangible link to the mysteries of our solar system's past, and now, Picture the possibility that Planet 9 might reveal insights into planetary formation. If discovered, its characteristics would offer a rare glimpse into the processes that give birth to planets in the outer reaches of a solar system. Understanding its composition and orbit could challenge current theories and inspire new models of how planetary systems evolve over time. It's like uncovering a missing piece of a cosmic puzzle where each new discovery reshapes our understanding of the universe. As you contemplate these ideas, think about the cultural and philosophical implications of finding a new planet in our solar system. Such a discovery would inspire awe and curiosity, captivating both scientists and the public alike. It would serve as a reminder of the vastness of the universe and our small yet significant place within it. A new planet would not only expand our scientific knowledge, but also our sense of wonder, fueling dreams of exploration and the eternal quest for understanding. Finally, imagine the impact of this search on future generations. The story of Planet 9, whether it ends in discovery or remains an enduring mystery, will inspire countless minds to look to the stars and ask questions. It highlights the importance of curiosity and perseverance in the pursuit of knowledge, encouraging the next wave of explorers to continue the journey into the unknown. As you drift into peaceful slumber, let these thoughts carry you into dreams filled with the endless possibilities of the universe, where every question leads to a new horizon. Imagine for a moment the notion that our solar system might be home to a planet that remains unseen, yet its gravitational influence suggests its presence. Isn't it fascinating to think that the very existence of Planet 9 is inferred not by direct observation, but by the peculiar behavior of other celestial bodies? This indirect approach to discovery underscores the ingenuity of astronomers who deploy an array of techniques to chase shadows in the vast cosmic expanse. Let me share something intriguing. The search for Planet 9 has made use of the peculiar orbits of distant trans-Neptunian objects. These icy bodies, far beyond Neptune, exhibit orbital patterns that suggest they are being shepherded by a massive object. Imagine these tiny celestial nomads, each moving silently across the sky, whispering secrets of something larger that guides them. Here's another captivating thought. The very concept of Planet 9 challenges our understanding of the solar system's architecture. For decades, scientists believed they had mapped the major planets. However, the potential of an undiscovered world forces a re-evaluation of what we know. It reminds us that space is ever-evolving, where each discovery can rewrite the cosmic script we thought was set in stone. Did you know that the proposed orbit of Planet 9 is quite eccentric, possibly taking it far beyond the known planets? This elongated path could mean that it takes between 10,000 and 20,000 Earth years to complete a single orbit around the Sun. Can you imagine a year that long? It places Planet 9 in a realm of the solar system that we are only beginning to explore. And here's an intriguing possibility. If Planet 9 exists, it could be responsible for tilting the entire solar system slightly. The Sun's rotational axis is tilted by about 6 degrees compared to the orbital plane of the planets. Some astronomers propose that the gravitational tug of a hidden massive planet could be the reason for this tilt, offering an elegant explanation for a celestial mystery that has puzzled scientists for years. Speaking of gravitational influences, consider the dynamic interactions that could have occurred when Planet 9 first joined our solar system. If it was indeed a captured object, perhaps an exoplanet from another star system, this act of cosmic acquisition could have sent ripples through the solar system, altering the orbits of planets and moons in a dramatic celestial dance. Have you ever wondered about the sheer scale of space that astronomers must search to find Planet 9? The region of interest is vast, covering a significant portion of the sky, with the planet potentially hiding in the dense backdrop of the Milky Way. This daunting task requires patience and precision, reminding us of the meticulous nature of scientific inquiry and the vastness of the heavens. Here's a thought to ponder. The search for Planet 9 has sparked new collaborations across the scientific community. Researchers from different disciplines, including astronomers, physicists, and computer scientists, are working together to solve this cosmic riddle. Their collective efforts highlight the interdisciplinary nature of modern science, where diverse expertise converges to illuminate the mysteries of the universe. Another surprising fact is the role of citizen scientists in this search. Enthusiastic amateur astronomers from around the world contribute by analyzing data and images, helping to identify potential candidates for Planet 9. This community effort showcases how technology and open access to information empower individuals to participate in significant scientific endeavors. Imagine, if you will, the ripple effect of finding Planet 9 on our understanding of exoplanets. Discovering such a distant and massive planet in our own solar system would provide valuable insights into how similar planets might form and behave in other star systems. It would be a local example with far-reaching implications, enhancing our comprehension of the galaxy's planetary diversity. Let me tell you one more intriguing aspect. The discovery of Planet 9 could potentially lead to the discovery of even more celestial bodies. Its presence might indicate a region of the solar system that is rich with as yet undetected objects, waiting to be uncovered by future explorations. Each new finding builds upon the last, creating a cascade of knowledge that continually enriches our understanding of the cosmos. Imagine the legacy that the search for Planet 9 will leave, regardless of its outcome. It represents the enduring human spirit of exploration and curiosity, driving us to seek answers to questions that are, quite literally, out of this world. Whether the mysterious planet is found tomorrow or remains hidden for decades, the pursuit itself is a testament to our desire to explore the unknown. And finally, as you drift into dreams of distant worlds and celestial mysteries, consider the poetic symmetry of searching for something unseen that nonetheless has a palpable presence. Planet 9 embodies the spirit of discovery, where the quest is as important as the destination. With each night of stargazing, we inch closer to understanding the universe and our place within it, as if each star holds a piece of the puzzle we're determined to solve. As you close your eyes, let these thoughts carry you into a peaceful slumber, filled with dreams of endless exploration and the wonders of the cosmos. Imagine tracing the gentle arcs of planets through the endless expanse of space. It's in this serene pursuit that astronomers search for Planet 9, a hidden world that stirs the imagination. Did you know the potential size of Planet 9 is staggering? Estimates suggest it could be 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth. Such a massive entity, lurking in the shadows of our solar system, could easily conceal itself behind the myriad stars of the Milky Way. It's a celestial game of hide and seek, played out over light years. The very notion of Planet 9 has prompted astronomers to rethink the formation of our solar system. In the traditional model, planets coalesce from the dust and gas surrounding the newborn sun. However, if Planet 9 truly exists and is indeed a captured object, it challenges this model. What if our solar system has been a cosmic collector, acquiring wandering planets from the vast interstellar medium? It's a notion that stretches the bounds of how we think about planetary systems. Consider this. The search for Planet 9 has advanced our technological capabilities in astronomy. The quest demands images of unprecedented clarity from telescopes both on Earth and in space. The development of new detectors and adaptive optics has been driven in part by the need to pinpoint faint objects against the luminous backdrop of stars. These advancements not only aid in the search for a solitary planet, but enhance our ability to observe the universe as a whole. And here's a fascinating thought. The discovery of Planet 9 could bolster theories about the existence of other similar planets in the galaxy. Astronomers propose that rogue planets may outnumber stars in our galaxy. If Planet 9 is confirmed, it could serve as a local case study for understanding these solitary wanderers, thereby offering clues about their origin and evolution. Speaking of solitary wanderers, the gravitational influence of Planet 9 might extend far beyond its orbit. Some scientists speculate that it could have helped shape the orbits of Kuiper belt objects, those icy bodies beyond Neptune. The belt's peculiar configuration hints at the presence of an unseen force, lending credence to the hypothesis of Planet 9. Imagine a massive, unseen hand gently guiding these distant bodies as they navigate the solar system's edge. Here's something else that's intriguing. Planet 9's hypothetical existence has reignited interest in the Oort cloud, a distant collection of icy bodies enveloping our solar system. Should Planet 9 exist, it might explain certain comet trajectories that seem to defy conventional wisdom. The gravitational reach of such a massive planet could affect objects at the very boundary of our cosmic neighborhood, hinting at a complex gravitational interplay we are only beginning to understand. And imagine this: the pursuit of Planet 9 has prompted a deeper exploration of the far reaches of the solar system. Missions like the New Horizons probe, which gave us our first up-close look at Pluto, have set the stage for future missions to venture even farther. Each mission, a small but vital step in unraveling the mysteries beyond the known planets, brings us closer to seeing the unseen. Let me share another intriguing aspect. The search has led to the discovery of many other minor planets and celestial bodies, enriching our catalogue of the solar system's inhabitants. Each of these discoveries is a thread in the vast tapestry of space, pieces of a puzzle that gradually reveals the grand picture of our cosmic environment. In reflecting on the cosmic scale, did you know that the search for Planet 9 also touches upon the concept of dark matter? Some theories suggest that a planet with significant mass might help us understand the distribution of unseen dark matter, which makes up a substantial part of the universe's mass. In this way, finding Planet 9 isn't just about discovering a new world. It's about shining light on the universe's most elusive mysteries. And here's a delightful thought. Even as the search continues, it fosters a sense of global unity. Astronomers from diverse countries and cultures come together, sharing data and insights. This collaboration, stretching across time zones and continents, exemplifies how the quest for knowledge transcends borders, uniting us in a shared pursuit of discovery. Finally, picture the legacy that uncovering Planet 9 would leave for future generations. The stories of this search, the methods, the setbacks, the triumphs, will become part of the rich narrative of space exploration. It serves as a reminder of humanity's unwavering curiosity and determination to push the boundaries of what is known. Whether Planet 9 is eventually found or remains an enigma, the journey itself will inspire countless more to look up at the night sky and wonder. As you rest, let these thoughts guide you into a serene state of reflection. Imagine the cosmos as a vast ocean, each star a beacon of light guiding us on our voyage of discovery. With every heartbeat, you are part of this grand universal journey, a seeker of truth amid the stars. Let these stories of exploration and the endless potential of space be your lullaby, easing you into a restful sleep filled with dreams of other worlds and the possibilities they hold.